Hey folks, Jim here, producer of Around the House Show. You're loving the audio tips right now, but here's something new. Our full-length episodes and expert interviews are now on YouTube as video, so you can watch the demos, tool close-ups, and guest interviews, or just hit play and listen like a regular podcast. Just search Around the House Show on YouTube, hit that red subscribe button, and turn on notifications. It's free, and you'll get the best of both worlds, visual how-tos when you want them, audio when you're on the go. Don't forget to subscribe on your podcast app too. Thanks. And now back to the show. Hold on tight. We have a great Around the House show coming up this weekend. Help us out and subscribe on your favorite podcast player. All right, folks, buckle up because the first hour is about to get hilariously real. We've got the one and only Dude Dad himself, Taylor Calmus, joining us. You know him from his massive YouTube empire, those epic backyard DIY builds on Magnolia Network's Super Dad, and comedy that perfectly nails the chaos of fatherhood while still keeping it 100% dude. Whether you're a dad trying to survive the daily grind, a mom laughing at the madness, or just someone who loves good family stories with a side of laughs, this one's for you. We're talking real talk on parenting, marriage, over-the-top projects, and everything in between. Dude Dad in the house, you're gonna love this one.
Through FaceTime, and it was such a joke. They'd just be like, all right, show me the outlet, show me the switch, turn it on. Okay, all right, yeah, you're good to go. I'm like, what are we doing here? I stopped pulling permits and kept doing projects, and I got about 6 projects deep before I got a letter in the mail.
Yep.
And essentially, the lead...
In the second hour, Eric was out at Parkrose Hardware's 60th anniversary party, and he talks hardware and barbecue with the experts. This one will make you hungry.
One time I was cooking brisket, and I swear it was done 6 hours early in the middle of the night. I usually pull it like at 9 in the morning or so, because turn-in's like at 11. I swear it was done at 4, 3, something like that. And I was like going, gosh darn it, we came all this way and we're going to get lose. And so I said, well, let's just let it hold because we'll see what it does and we'll learn from it. And we ended up getting first place with it. So I'm like, well, now I don't got to sweat it.
Yeah,
next time it's done early, I'm like, that's all right.
That's all right. So. Now I can just sit there. Are you wrapping it at that point just to keep it from getting dry? And that's the...
Yeah, we wrap it and put it in a Cambro so it stays nice and warm and kind of slowly cools down.
So it's just sitting there loving itself in its own juices.
Yep.
So
it soaks everything back in.
Almost like a sauce then. It's just sitting there that extra time, just kind of sitting there marinating in its own and getting deeper and deeper.
It's better that way anyway. Yeah. You should always let your meat rest.
So it's always like when you make spaghetti sauce, right?
Absolutely.
All that and more on Saturdays Around the House show with Eric G. We have a huge announcement with our brand new Around the House YouTube channel. Check it out at Around the House HQ, and the link will be down in the podcast player notes. New videos, all in 4K quality, all ready for you to watch and learn from the best people in the industry. If you work in the trades or construction or design business, check out the Around the House Pro Insider podcast. That is back. Just find it on your favorite podcast player. If you want to hear more, listen right here on this podcast player to find out the answers. That's a wrap, folks. Another wild ride of home maintenance mayhem and project starting swagger in the books. Huge thanks to our awesome audience for tuning in. You're the real MVPs, keeping us on air while we dodge rogue ladders and those ancient website crashes. Catch you this Saturday for more laughs, tips, and maybe a few questionable DIY decisions. Until then, keep your hammers swinging and your Wi-Fi strong. See you soon.
Hey, it's Eric G from Around the House. Quick favor. If you're enjoying the show, the absolute best way you can support us is by leaving a quick review on your favorite podcast player. Apple Podcasts, Spotify, whatever you're listening to. It literally takes 30 seconds, and here's why it matters so much to us. Those reviews help new listeners discover the podcast. Tell the algorithms we're worth recommending, and give us the feedback we need to bring you even better episodes. More of the topics you love, and guests that actually move the needle for you. That helps us help you. It's as simple as that. So if the show's been useful, funny, or just made your day a little better, pop over right now, drop a star rating, and a couple of sentences. we'll be genuinely grateful. Thanks for being a part of the Around the House crew, and let's keep that conversation going.